one of the most important contributions we project and inject to the community and the industry of Curacao, in this industry of tourism, is actually by bringing an average of 24,000 guests here monthly throughout these 5 years that we are operating here on the island. You can imagine yourself, 5 years, every month, 24 guests here at Sunscape Resort. That's about 1.4 million if you do the math. And that is of course awesome, right? Because all these guests don't only spend with us, but they spend in the community.
And on behalf of Mr. Gonzalo Del Peon, President of AM Resorts, and the entire staff of this beautiful property, Sunscape Curacao, I want to first of all welcome everybody to Curacao, and also thank you very much for coming and for staying with us during your participation in Curacao Global Trade Symposium. Today, as Renan was saying, is a very special day for us because it's Sunscape Curaçao's 5th anniversary, and there is not a better way to celebrate our anniversary beside having you all here and to host this very special event. For my entire team and myself, it is a privilege to host tonight the best and most important tour operators, travel agents, and hoteliers, and our friends of press.